Many Indian parents living in the United States on temporary visas are now facing a very stressful and uncertain situation. Well, the issue is about whether their soon-to-be-born children will get US citizenship or not. Well, this uncertainty began after US President Donald Trump signed an executive order that questions the long-standing rule of birthright citizenship, a law that allows any baby born in the US automatically becomes an American citizen. Right now, this matter is waiting for a final decision in the US Supreme Court. Until then, Indian families expecting babies are left in a state of confusion and anxiety. Many are rushing to immigration lawyer to understand what their rights are and what could actually happen after their babies are born. Some are even thinking of moving to the US states that don't currently follow the new Trump order in hopes of protecting their child's future. According to immigration experts, this particular rule could affect about 150,000 newborns every single year, including many from India. The worry is specifically strong among Indian parents on H-1B, H-4, F-1 student visas and OPT status who have been living legally in the US for years. Now, these families expected that their children, if they are born in the US, could automatically become a US citizen under the 14th Amendment, just like it's always have been. But now, that might not happen. This issue is tied to what some call birth tourism. That's when foreign nationals, specifically from countries like Russia, China, Nigeria, travel to the US while pregnant just to give birth. Their goal is to secure American citizenship for their children. Recently, more and more Indian parents have also followed this particular path, specifically when the green card wait time for Indians can stretch up to 10 or 15 years. Lawyers are saying that this change could be very unfair. As one attorney explained, that it's shocking that parents who have lived legally in the US for decades might have a child born here who doesn't get citizenship. That kind of situation just doesn't exist before and it's creating a lot of fear. So the question is which country the child will be from. The child is born in the United States, but the US is not ready to give them birthright citizenship. The child is born in US, so he cannot be a citizen of another country. Well, the Supreme Court hearing that began in May didn't directly decide whether Trump's order is legal or not. Instead, they focused on whether one court can block the law for the entire country or not. Well, a more technical detail. That means the bigger question about citizenship is still up in the air and families will have to wait longer for answers. Because of all this uncertainty, many Indian families are now looking at other immigration options that feels more secure. This includes faster visa category like EB-5 investor visa, but that requires a lot of money, EB-1 for highly skilled professionals, or the national interest waiver. Lawyers say that they are seeing a big jump in interest of these programs, specifically from the families that are expecting children. To make things even tougher, immigration officers at the US embassies are reportedly denying visas to pregnant women if they believe that the woman wants to give birth in the US just to get US citizenship for their child. Now, this is making it even harder for the families to plan. So, in the end, many Indian families on temporary visas in the US are facing a scary and uncertain time. They came to the US legally, built their lives over here, and now they don't know if their children will have the same rights that they hoped for or not. The Supreme Court decision will be key to what happens next, but till then, families are left waiting, hoping and planning for all the possible outcomes.